Hi friends, welcome to Maria's channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Today I will show you all how to germinate seeds in coco peat coin. This is a coco peat coin. You can see the size. It's small. It's little bigger than a 1 rupee coin. Let's dip in the water and see what happens. See how I am doing it. You can try the same way. Watch the video till the end. I will be giving you some information regarding the coco peat coin, how it's useful and the advantages. See the difference, it's expanding. Kids enjoy doing this. As you can see, the coin is soaking water and expanding in size. I have taken very little water, that's why it's taking time to increase the size. But if you take more water and dip the coin in water and hold, it will take very less time to increase. The coin has expanded to 4 times its normal size. It took around 1 minute to soak the water. You can try soaking the coin in more water. It will expand in seconds. Try doing it. When I am pressing the coin, the excess water is coming out. You can see it. The coco peat coin has soaked the water completely. Now we can put the seeds. Take a small stick to make a hole. Do it as shown. Take the seeds and put in the hole and cover it with coco peat. Watering for now is not needed as it has soaked enough. Later, if you see the corn dry, sprinkle little water to keep moist. After 10 days, see the saplings grow. After 15 days, see the growth. Now it's ready for transplantation. Let's see how to transplant the sapling in soil. Dig the mud in such a way so that the coin is inserted in soil. Coco peat coin is 100% biodegradable, so seedling planted directly into soil has less transplant shock problem. It's lightweight and 100% organic, promotes quicker and strong root growth, high water holding capacity and good drainage. It is made from coco peat husk fiber, odorless and pleasant to handle. Coco peat coin is easily available in market. I brought it from Amazon. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Happy gardening.